I updated the graphics on my Razor dirt bike, and wow, is it a big improvement over the stock graphics. These graphics fit a variety of Razor dirt bikes. A link to the product is above and also in the description. These graphics also fit the CRF plastics, the MX650, MX500, SX500, MX400, and the MX350. They're pretty easy to install. I'll go through how to install them very easily. But before we do, I hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get after it. First thing we're gonna do is peel off the old graphics. Sometimes these can be hard to get off because of the age of the sticker. I might end up having to use a heat gun to melt some of it off. Some of it comes off pretty easy, but you can see the residue is still there. All right, I got all the stock graphics removed. I'm gonna use some soapy water to clean up the plastics. You can use a little bit of acetone or nail polish remover to clean off any sticky residue. Use a razor blade to nick down any of the scratches or positive plastic material. That way you'll have a good adhesive surface for the new graphics. Now there's 3 ways to attach these graphics. I looked online. There's a dry method. I saw a guy, he cut a 1-inch strip off of the paper here and then attached it and then worked the graphics the way out. The other way is to use Windex and spray a little bit on there, put the graphics on there, get it positioned. You can move it around and then use a heat gun to remove the bubbles. I have soapy water in here. There's about 2 or 3 drops of Dawn dish soap, and I'm going to try that method and attach the graphics on there and then use a hairdryer or heat gun to remove any of the bubbles. So let's get started on that. Now this one's a little bit tricky because it's kind of bowed or rounded, so it's sculpted. It's hard to get this perfect. You can see all the, I'll try a little heat. Not quite perfect. Still have some bubbles in here. I'm still working them out, but it definitely got rid of a lot of the air bubbles here. I'm going to work those out, but you can see not too bad. This one's going to be a little bit of a chore with the way that it's positioned and the curvature to it. So I'm going to try to get it seated here and then work the bubbles out from working outward. All right. Overall, did pretty good. Got a few little air bubbles. Got one right here every time I look, but that one, see, the water just squeezed out. Just keep working it. All right. Looks pretty good. I'm going to continue on the other side and with the tail. There's a little piece here for the tail. Starting to really come together. Come moving up here to do the nameplate. Then it has me do the fender. So it comes with these stickers for the side here. For the rear swing arm, I'm going to go ahead and put them on. Why not? I can always take them off. I'm going to do these dry too. This should be pretty straightforward. I got to cut these down a little bit. It's a little bit wider than I'd like, so I'm going to just cut maybe an 1/8 inch off each side. All right, I cut down about an 1/8 inch on the top and the bottom, and now it should fit nicely. The last two pieces go on the fork like this.
The new graphics are a big improvement over the stock graphics that were getting old and faded. I hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any feedback, please leave in the comments, and thanks for watching.